It's a spicy beef salad straight from our Asian Keto cookbook. It is so refreshing with all the herbs and very unique flavors you've never tasted before. You're gonna wanna stay tuned for this one. First thing we're going to do is we're going to marinate our ribeye. We have a 1 pound ribeye here. As you can see, it's a little bit thicker, which is absolutely fine. You get whatever you like. And we're going to season it here with black pepper, sea salt, olive oil, and liquid aminos. Add your mix to your ribeye. Make sure all the air is out of there. And to marinate that all in. As far as herbs and sauces goes, we have mint, cilantro, red onions, green onions, Thai chilies, ground pepper flakes, 1 lime juice, and fish sauce. After your meat has been marinating for at least 30 minutes, grab a cast iron pan and turn the heat to medium-high. Add in your avocado oil. Let your cast iron heat up for a few minutes on medium-high heat. You're going to sear your steak for about 2.5 minutes to 4 minutes on each side, depending on how thick your steak is, and also depending on how you like your meat cooked. Oh my gosh, that looks amazing. Look at that. That's what you want right there. Lean it on the side of your cast iron so the meat gets cooked on the bottom. And we're gonna do that to the opposite end as well. Another 4 minutes. It's been about 4 minutes. We're gonna flip it on the other side now. Just like that. So after it's all finished, this is what it should look like. And we're gonna transfer it over to our cutting board and we're gonna let it sit for 10 minutes. Take a look at the juices here. Oh man, that looks so juicy. Look at that. That is a nice medium in there. So it's a medium well. Let's grab a small bite here before we mix everything in. This is going to be my bite right there. That's so good. So simple, but just so flavorful. That ribeye is absolutely spectacular. So next step, what we're gonna do is we're gonna transfer this to a bowl, add all the herbs and all the sauces on top, and blend it all together. Boom, let's do it. The first thing we'll add is mint, cilantro, red onions, green onions. It's looking so beautiful already. Thai chilies. Oh yeah, bringing on the heat. We have ground chili, lime juice. This is the magic, fish sauce here. It does not taste fishy. A lot of people think fish sauce tastes fishy, but it does not taste fishy. Tasting time. Go for this. Oh my God. This is so good. I'm not just saying that because my sister and I came up with this recipe, but it is so good. There's so many different variations of beef Laab, but this one is our favorite. The ribeye is incredibly flavorful. It is so juicy. It is full of that amazing, delicious fat. You got all the herbs from the green onions, the mint, the cilantro, the Thai chilies, red onions, spices in there. Oh my gosh, this is one of our favorite recipes. Definitely a winner in our books. You've gotta try it. I can't wait to finish this after this video. So let's sign off right now. If you did not hate this video, give it a thumbs up. If you have not yet subscribed, be sure to click that subscribe button. Also ring that notification bell if you have not yet ring the bell. And leave a comment down below because I love hearing from you. As always, guys, we're signing off with some love and some gratitude. We'll see you next time. It's a spicy beef salad, which is the Laotian special. Laotian breathe. This is the last one of the day. We've been filming 3 recipes.
You got this.
Kumbaya, my lord.
Okay.
Okay.